Welcome to Market House, the ultimate tool for comparing real estate investments against standard stock market returns. Let's see if buying this 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in San Francisco makes more financial sense than just leaving our money in the stock market. We're starting with an initial capital investment of $178,000, targeting a standard stock market yield of 10.73%. Now let's input our property details. The condo is listed at $899,000. We'll put down our $178,000 down payment with a 6.4% mortgage rate over 30 years. Estimating an 8.4% annual property appreciation rate and $5,200 in monthly rental income, we factor in a 10% vacancy rate and $32,000 in annual operating expenses. Looking at the investment comparison graph, the property return takes a strong early lead and stays ahead of the stock market. By year 15, the property return reaches over $1.9 million compared to the market's $1.36 million. By year 30, the property nets us a whopping $8.89 million, while the stock market lands at $6.29 million. But what if we don't put down the full amount? Let's test a scenario where we only put down $90,000, just about a 10% down payment. We'll adjust our annual operating expenses slightly to $37,000 to cover the extra mortgage insurance, keep the rest of our inputs the same, and adjust our stock market starting capital to match that $90,000. Even with less cash down, the property option still comes out on top in the long run. By year 30, the property grows to an incredible $13.51 million, while the stock market investment yields $10.8 million. If we look at the exact cash flow breakdown for year 32, we can see exactly how the numbers compound. Our cumulative rental income, the built-up equity as the mortgage is paid down, and our growing reinvested cash flow easily outpace the market growth. In almost every scenario, leveraging physical real estate is the clear winner. Which investment strategy fits your portfolio? Comment the property you'd like us to analyze next, and don't forget to like and subscribe. The Market House app is available now on the App Store and Google Play.